world of automotive innovation, the thrill and joy of driving have forever been the driving force. Car manufacturers have relentlessly pursued excellence on the road, but what if we told you that the quest for thrill and adventure now extends beyond the asphalt? Introducing the Super Sub, an embodiment of unparalleled excitement, designed to bring the exhilaration of the open road to the endless depths of the ocean. With the Super Sub, you're not just a passenger, you're an explorer, charting a course through the most extensive and unexplored highway in the world, the boundless ocean. Imagine the sensation of gliding effortlessly through crystal clear waters. Are you ready to take the dive?